So when we talk about hot and coldness of a particular region, then we will use these three different terms: climate, weather, and temperature. So when we talk about a very short period of time, changes in the hotness or coldness within a very short period of time, then it is called temperature. When it is a little more like months and years, weather. When we talk about hotness or coldness for a long period of time, very long period of time, like suppose more than 30 years, 40 years of a particular region, then we will use the word climate. Then we will use the word climate. Okay. Did you understand? Somebody is sending me some response. Let me see. Sir, say again climate and weather. I am telling about climate and weather only. So when we talked about cold or hotness of a particular region for a very short period of time, it is temperature. The word we have to use is temperature. So when we talk about hot or coldness for a little lengthy period, like months and years, we will call it as weather. And when we talk about a particular region's hot or coldness for a long period of time, suppose 30 years, 40 years, then we have to use the word climate. Do you understand? Then we have to use the word climate. Okay. Did you understand? So here, in simple words, if you have a textbook, you can underline the state. The state means the condition of atmosphere. Okay, elements like sunshine, temperature, atmospheric pressure, winds, humidity, clouds and precipitation so of a particular area, then it refers to weather. Okay, weather. This weather conditions fluctuate very often and it fluctuate out to even in a short period of time. Very short means temperature. So within a short, when there is a changes in the temperature within a short period of time, then we will call it as weather. Okay, and climate refers to such conditions. Okay, like sunshine, clouds, precipitation over a large area for a large period of time. Okay, for a large period of time. Then, for suppose more than 30 years. Okay, so here also there will be a variation from year to year, month to month. Variation will be there. But when we follow average pattern, so when we follow the average of a particular region or area, then it is called what you say climate. Okay, so the pattern of elements like same weather and climate are almost same. Okay, we will see how the climographs are prepared. First of all, what is climographs? First of all, what is climographs? Graphs which will show the climate. What are the factors of climate? What are the factors of climate? So when you see the climate is affected by temperature and rainfall. These are the basic things. High temperature, high rainfall. So measuring the temperature and measuring the rainfall. Okay. So when we see temperature or rainfall, how it is measured, how it is measured, how it is measured. So if you see the temperature is measured in degrees. Suppose 30 degrees is the example. Okay, that means the temperature is 30 degrees. When you talk about rainfall, like centimeters or millimeters. Okay. And how the climograph is prepared. So climograph is a graph which represents both, that is climate, that is climate. So here climate in the sense rainfall and temperature. Rainfall and temperature. So climograph is actually representing the two things. One is temperature, the other one is rainfall. So generally, when we draw any graph, what we do x-axis, y-axis, we take is here. You take like this. So x, so y, something you take. So here you represent one factor. You cannot represent two factors in one graph. A climograph is something which represents two factors. That is, you can draw like this. So on one side, you will show, on one side, what you will show? You will show the rainfall. Okay. Rainfall. On the other side, you will show temperature. Temperature. And here you will write out like months, January, February, March, or you can take years also. When you prepare the climate of 10 years or 15 years, then you take the years. When you are talking about months, you can take the months. So here again, 50 centimeters, 100 centimeters, 150 centimeters, 200 centimeters. So in this way, when we are in the next 250 centimeters. Got it. So suppose in the month of January, the rainfall is 150 centimeters. If you will draw like this, if you will mark here, in the month of January, the rainfall is 150. In the month of February, suppose it is 100. You will take this. In the month of March, it is 250. Okay, March. The same way in the temperature in January is here we mark temperature 5, 10, 15, 20, 25, 30, 35, 40, 40. So here I am representing the temperature, minimum and maximum. Here again we have two kinds of temperatures, minimum temperature and maximum temperature. So suppose in the month of January, if the temperature of a particular place is 20, minimum, maximum 35, and February 25, 40, 30, 35, minimum, maximum. Okay, this is the temperature. So what you will do? You will prepare now the graph. So first we take minimum temperature. So in the month of February, minimum temperature is 20. So here, so I'll mark here. The month of February 25, 30, 30. So you will draw like this. This is the graph showing minimum temperature. Okay, minimum temperature. Maximum 35. So here is 35. Here, then 25. So here again, then 40. 40 is here again. Then again, we are seeing 35 here. This is graph showing maximum temperature. So here you see maximum temperature, minimum temperature. So when you draw, use different colors. So minimum temperature you use one color and maximum temperature you use one color, so that it will be easy for you to understand. Did you understand? This is how this is called as actually. I have not taken any particular area or something, just an example I have explained you. So if you take in a particular region, record the temperature, minimum temperature and maximum temperature, and then rainfall of that particular area. Okay, and represent rainfall and temperature in a one graph. In one particular graph, if you represent both rainfall and temperature, then it is called as climographs. Did you understand? Then it is called as climographs. So I'll just share a picture. You see, if possible. So this is an example for. Okay, this is an example for climographs. So 4 different graphs are given. First climograph is related to New Delhi. Second climograph is related to Leh, L-E-H, Leh. Third climograph represents Jaipur, Jaipur. Then Chennai. So 4 different states. Graph is prepared here. Okay, so see the graph carefully. Okay, which is showing you 2 things. Climate is represented in the whole graph by showing the rainfall and temperature of a particular region. So first graph you see New Delhi. If you see the first graph, it is New Delhi. Okay, New Delhi. So in the New Delhi, you can see 2 different colors, red and green, are used. So if you see the red color represents a maximum temperature, maximum average temperature, and green color represents the minimum average temperature. Average it is. Okay. Did you understand? Yes. So I'll give you 5 minutes time. Please see the graph carefully. See the graph carefully. See the graph carefully. New Delhi is given. Then Leh is in the north of India. So it's a cold region. Cold region in the sense you'll find high rainfall, low temperature. So maximum temperature here you can see 30. Okay, maximum temperature is 30 and rainfall 0 to 14. 16 is given. Rainfall kuda takkvane undi. Temperature kuda takkvane undi. But here you see New Delhi maximum temperature is 40 and rainfall is more than 300. More than 300. Understood? Millimeters. It is measured in millimeters. So more than 300 millimeters. Lehlo maximum 14 ఇచ్చాడు అంటే a pattern you can change depending on the region, like 0 gap, like 0 to 50, 50 to 100, 100 to 150 you have taken when you are measuring about New Delhi. But when you are measuring about Leh, so So when you see maximum is 16, there is no need of taking 0 to 50. You take 0 to 2, 2 to 4, 4 to 6. Okay, you understand? So observe these four graphs. Observe this four graph carefully. జాగ్రత్తగా చెక్ చేయండి. ఎస్, జాగ్రత్తగా చెక్ చేయండి అమ్మా. Okay, so once you see this and fill up this Jaipur, Leh, New Delhi, Chennai is given now in your textbook. Relief region అంటే మౌంటైన్, ప్లేనా, ప్లాట్యూఆ అది రాయాలి. రేంజ్ ఆఫ్ maximum temperature during the year. సో జైపూర్లో maximum temperature ఎంత ఉంది? లే, what is the maximum temperature? The same way next, range of minimum temperatures, average minimum temperature you have to fill in this box, and name the wettest month, means mostly like high rainfall, and this is low rainfall, driest. So high rainfall, low rainfall, high temperature, low temperature, four things of a particular place. So by seeing that graph, fill the 5 minutes time is given. See the graph. You have a textbook now? Yes? You have to download it if you don't have, or else purchase it. And it's better you come to school. Okay, so you take time and do it. I will try to conduct a small quiz on what we have. I'll send you a link. Just wait. Okay, simple. Okay, 12 questions are there. One second, I will send. Yeah, I am sending some questions for you. The link is given. You can join. Link is given to you. Link is given to you. Only 5, 6 are there. Your wish. Okay, so I'll just stop record.